the previous movie, I've said that I'm going to finish all the repairs in the garage, in the workshop, get the van and go for the container. But if you do what I'm doing, if you're trying to rebuild it and it's really old crap car, you have to expect unexpected. So this episode is about what happened to me that I had to change the plan.
Follow the sun.
It's 1 at night. I'm going out because I have to go 500 kilometers to Warsaw. My Sprinter, my van, must have drive axle. I think that's how it calls, drive axle fixed. And it's quite serious repair. So I took my van from the mechanic and I have to go to the special service to Warsaw, so far 500 kilometers drive, because without making the major fix, without making the major repair, other repairs can't be done. So yeah, I'm on the way in 5 minutes. Long drive. We've got April. So what the hell is going on with that snow? I'm halfway to Warsaw and I had to stop for a while because it's so noisy, it's so loud inside the car. I knew there's something wrong with this car when I was buying it, and when I was on the way back I was taking a movie, my first movie on this channel, and I almost had to scream so to take a movie, and I knew there's something wrong with it, definitely, but I didn't expect it that it's so bad that it won't be possible to fix it in my town, and now I'm on the way to Warsaw. Anyway, if you're going to buy a used 4x4 van as a base, you need to expect unexpected. So hop in the car, and 250 kilometers left, and I just got here. This is the place where they will try to fix my car. I mean, trying. As far as I know, they have a lot of experience. They told me they used to do that kind of cars for the army, Polish army. So hopefully they will do a good quality, I believe. And I'm exhausted. I'm really exhausted, and I want to just lay down in the back and just get some rest. But I want to show you one more thing. What else I got with me? Because when they're gonna take everything off to do the driving axle, they will have easy access to change all the rear brakes. So I have discs with me, brake discs. I have braking pads, some protection and all that stuff. Good quality, Bosch quality. It's not good. It wouldn't be a good idea to try to save some money on bad quality stuff. So I bought the really good one, and hope they're gonna do it good and they're gonna do it quick, and then I will have to go back home. That's it for now. Okay, time for me to get some rest. And it's cold, it's really cold. Brr, April, I cannot believe it. Okay, so major job is finished, and it was more complicated, more expensive, more and more and more. But it's done, and I have a guarantee. A year guarantee, but the boss, he said that this car will never have this problem again with drive axle. They've changed the satellites, I think how satellites are inside, bearings, yeah, everything had to be changed into new parts. So my plan was different. I was going to go and pick up container loading box after finishing works in my town, but I finally landed in Warsaw to have a bigger problem solved. Time for a quick Chinese takeaway, and I'm going back home. I'm leaving Warsaw now, and I can say that 70% of that noise, that horrible, painful noise that I had in the van, is gone. It's still something, but only now I can hear when the major problem was solved and the biggest noise is gone, that there's some kind of vibes here in the cabin, and they come from the front part of car, and that can be we have to find it and repair it as well. but it's so much better than it used to be. Yeah, it's a different quality. I'm too tired to take a longer movie, and I just want to go back safe home. And good luck to you guys. Take care.